Probably shouldn't have dropped it like that. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to the channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. We have in front of me the next generation gaming console from Microsoft, the Xbox Series X. So naturally, new tech product. I figured I'd unbox it here on this channel, but this is kind of hard to do with this whole rig because it's a massive box. But we're gonna try, nonetheless, because that's what I do. I try things. I try for you guys. Quick look at the box. Let's see if I can do this. Fit it in the frame. The top of what the Xbox Series X looks like. More information on the side of what it's actually capable of. All that good stuff right there. 8K HDR, variable refresh rates. Ooh, I can't believe this is happening. On the other side, you just have a breakdown of what the controller and the console itself looks like. On the back, you have the man, the myth, the legend himself, the Master Chief. But you'll also know a little bit more information about the Xbox, your speed, the Game Pass, all that good stuff. And then, you know, if we want to take a quick look at the bottom, there's that information as well. And then, just in case it's of concern to you, oh, it's upside down, the top. So enough of the box, we get it, it's the box. This is an unboxing, so let's see what's in the box. Woo. And here we go. Little tab right here. Pops right off. Same thing on the other side. Pops right off. We will put these off to the side. Oh, we actually have two more right here. Got to do those as well. So let's do these at the same time. Be fancy with it, right? Ready, and 1, 2. That's how it's done. And now we are ready for the actual unboxing reveal. How do I do this carefully without it all falling apart? That's what I gotta figure out. Oh, I think I get what's going on here. It opens that way? Okay, good, I got it. The reveal of the Series X. Okay, hold on. Gotta calm down first. Okay, I'm ready. Power your dreams! Now, considering the fact that you could barely see me, I'm gonna remove this from the box. That way we could actually have a conversation without it being like this for an hour. So let's do that. The removal of the Xbox Series X. Oh, I'm so nervous. I don't wanna mess this up. Put it off to the side very carefully. Okay, let's hope that doesn't fall. Okay, hold on. And now we could take this box out of the way. However, oh, there is some stuff hidden back here. I'll show you what that looks like. Some stuff hidden in the back part of the box that I guess we'll just do this quickly. What if I do this? Oh, there we go. This is gonna work. Now I could unbox it and still see you guys. All right. In the back part of this box, first things first, product and regulatory agreement information. Right there. You will also get your power supply. Very important to have this to actually power this puppy on. And then this is an HDMI cable. I believe this is an HDMI 2.1 cable, if I'm not mistaken. Ultra high speed, so yes, 2.1. Incredibly important to have. Future-proofing right there, even though most HDMI ports are still HDMI 2.0. You get your HDMI 2.1 cable included. Also, oh yes, of course, your controller. We'll put that right here for just a second. I think that's actually it. That is indeed it. Okay, so what is this? This is just your quick start little pamphlet right there to tell you how to get started. So we'll put that in the box, quickly and carefully remove the box. That was not careful. Put it off to the side. We will unbox the controller. It just feels like a new generation controller. Not really, but it's mentally making me think that. Feels very much like your other Xbox controllers, except now we have this nice little matte finish all around. I like that. Chances are I'm gonna be using my Elite controller for those back pedals right there. Your boy's a pro. But obviously, nice that we have a controller included. Also in here, what is this? Batteries? Yes, your AA batteries, if I could get it out of the little package. So nice, you get little batteries to get you started if you are using this. Those will be put to use. And that pretty much does it for the controller. We'll put that off to the side. And now, did I ding it up already? And the HDMI cable and the power supply off to the side as well. Here Well, we kind of lost one of these already, so we'll take this one and put it over there. Now, for the Xbox itself, let's do it. So, I'm trying to figure out which side is top and bottom. Okay, I think this is bottom. Gotta make sure the reveal is on point, you know what I mean? And I think this is the front, potentially. I don't know, we'll find out. And here we go. Oh, that was not pretty. That was supposed to be pretty, it wasn't, whatever. Oh, yes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. The Series X, oh my goodness, you are so pretty. Oh my, the Series X, man, here it is. It is matte black all around, as you can see, and the top actually has this cheese grater kind of design. And I don't know if you can see that, but at an angle, there's actually some green there too. So, very Xbox-esque. And then of course you have all your connections on the back here, so that's important. I already ordered a storage expansion, another terabyte SSD is coming in the mail, because I know this thing is gonna fill up like that. But the cool thing about the Series X is that you could actually stand it up like that if you want. That's personally probably the way I'm gonna have it, like a tower. But you do also have these little buttons, these little belly buttons, if you will, on the side that allow you to actually put the Xbox Series X on its side as well. The Xbox Series X, where did I put the controller? Over here. Of course, do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that when I have my review content and all my streaming adventures for this Xbox Series X out there, you don't miss it. And more information on where you could actually find me streaming my video game adventures on this bad boy could actually be found in that video description box below, so check that out for links for where I'll be streaming. Oh, I literally gotta go play this right now. If you guys are interested in finding out more about the Xbox Series X, or just to cop one of these puppies for yourself, you guys can head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/Xbox Series X. bmac.link/Xbox Series X, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check that out. Bunch of links in the video description box, check them out. And with that having been said, I'm ready to game, let's do this. However, I still need to decide what the first game is that I'm going to be playing. Tough decision. I'm gonna go think about that. I will see you guys in my next video. I wonder if you could actually grate cheese with that top right there. Actually, you know what? Forget I even said that. There's gonna be someone out there watching who's like, I should try it. Don't. Pretend that was never mentioned. Looks cool though.